I'm Polybath, and I specialize in helping schools manage and change behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming from a high school situation. The question is, how can we address vaping in the high school bathrooms? Boy, haven't we all been through this one. If you have been doing this for a long time, you'll remember years ago, it was smoking. Here's an experience that I went through. We really had to think about how do we stop this type of activity happening in the bathrooms. And the way we came about an idea was to how do we engage the kids in helping us with this? You know, one of the things that I don't like seeing is a person who is paid to sit in a hallway outside of a bathroom when they can be helping kids to learn or other things in school. But they're sitting there as bathroom monitors. To me, that's a long day. What if we engaged our kids in the management? Not like tattletale kids or hall monitors and things like that, but someone who earned credit, community service projects, to just sign kids in and out of the bathroom. And that would help us to monitor who's going in and who's going out. But when we do catch kids in the act of actual illegal activity, the second part of that is you gotta say what you mean and mean what you say. If you have established a policy with the kids and parents that vaping is not legal, it fits into your drug-free school zone, the way we do that legally, then we could really look at that as a tier 3 behavior, like a high-level behavior. And you would have logical consequences, meaning it might be a year a day in school intervention, and then you have to go to a little program the next day to help you learn more about vaping. But you'd have to do it every single time, because unless we follow through every single time, kids will continue to do it. So, 2 things. How do we engage the student body in the management? Because let's face it, kids who don't do illegal activity in the bathroom, sometimes they avoid going to the bathroom because they don't want to be in the atmosphere that they might get in trouble. And that's not okay either. And the second thing is follow through with that consequence every single time. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.